Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to fix bad sound quality in games on your Windows PC. Whether you're using wired headphones or Bluetooth, these fixes should help you out. Let's dive in. Check in-game audio settings. Alright, first thing, check if the problem is only happening in one game. If it is, open the game's audio settings and try resetting them to default. Disable sound enhancements. Now, search for Change System Sounds in Windows and open it. In the Playback tab, find your headphones and double-click them. Go to the Advanced tab and try different quality formats from the drop-down menu. Click Apply after each one to test it. Then click Restore Defaults or uncheck all enhancements. Update audio drivers. Okay, now search for Device Manager and expand Audio Inputs and Outputs. Find your sound device, right-click it, and select Update Driver. Choose the Automatic option and let Windows search for updates. For Bluetooth headphones, here's the thing. If you're using Bluetooth headphones, go back to Change System Sounds, click the Recording tab, find your Bluetooth microphone, right-click it, and choose Disable. This often fixes quality drops in games because Windows won't switch to lower quality communication mode. And that's it. Your game audio should sound much better now. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.